Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Cook, and today for our new math unit, we are going to be working with subtraction. Now the entire time that we've been in school so far, we've been working with addition. So we've been taking two smaller numbers, let's say like 3 and 4, and making a bigger number. So when we say 3 plus 4, we know that equals 7. When we work with subtraction, we're always going to start with the biggest number. So let's say if we did start with the number 7, the subtraction symbol is going to look like this, and that means that we're going to be taking away. So if I take away 3, then I know that I'm left with 4, which we're going to talk about relating addition with subtraction. But remember today, boys and girls, we're going to be starting with the biggest number and going from there. So let's take a look at our first math problem to go over the things that you are going to be working on today. So at the top here it says that there are 5 rabbits by a tree. So that's the first thing that we're going to write down. So I've got 5. Now it says 2 rabbits hop away. So I have to think to myself, what's happening in this problem? I've got 5 rabbits by a tree and 2 rabbits are hopping away. So it sounds like there's rabbits going away. So how many rabbits are still by the tree? So I know that I need to take away those 2 rabbits. And we need to figure this out by drawing a picture. Now the biggest thing that we need to know with subtraction, we are going to be starting off by drawing our biggest number, which is going to be 5 right here. I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the only thing that's different here, boys and girls, is that we are not drawing the number 2. Because we're not getting a bigger number, we're getting a smaller number. So what we're doing is we have the 5 and we're taking away 2. So on the bottom here for my circles, I've got my 5 and I'm taking 2 away. What I have left with is going to be my answer. So we know that 5 minus 2 is going to equal 3. Let's take a look at our next problem here. This is a number story when we're just looking at a picture. So what I want to do is I want to look at what it's asking me. It says how many ladybugs are left on the leaf. So what I need to do first is I need to check to see how many ladybugs are all together. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ladybugs all together up top. So I know I'm starting with the biggest number with subtraction, which is 6. Now I need to take a look up top to see how many are flying off of the leaf. And I know that I have 1, 2, 3 of them that are flying away. So how many do I have left on the leaf? What we can do, we can draw a picture. So I know that I have 6 altogether, so we're going to start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we are going to be taking 3 away. Remember, we're not drawing all the numbers. With subtraction, we draw the biggest number, and then we cross out the ones that we are taking away. So I have 6 minus 3, so I'm taking away 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to count up how many I have left right there. So I have 1, 2, and 3. So 6 minus 3 is going to equal 3. Let's check out the last one today, boys and girls, and we'll get you moving on to your work. So let's read our sentence here. There are 8 bees near the hive. All right, so I've got 8. 3 bees fly away. Huh. Okay. Then another bee flies away. How many bees are left? This one's going to be a little tricky because I am actually taking away a couple different things right now. So I know that I'm starting off with 8. I know that 3 are flying away. And then another bee flies away. So I know that's just going to be 1. So this one's going to look a little funky. So what I need to do first is draw the biggest number, which is going to be 8. Because with subtraction, we always start with the biggest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now this one's going to be a little tricky because we have to think about our first step. We have 8 and we're taking away 3. So I'm going to take away 3 right now. I have 1, 2, and 3. But we're not going to stop right there because I still have one more part to this problem. Started with 8, took away 3. Now I'm going to take away 1. what's left is my answer right here, which I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we worked on today, boys and girls, is with subtraction, we're going to start with the biggest number and we're taking them away. That means we're going to get a smaller number for our answer. It's going to be a little different than our addition that we've been working on, but I know you guys are up for it. So take a look on this last page here. For kids that are in school today, boys and girls, this is what you're going to be working on. You're going to choose one of these equations to create a subtraction story with the class. Now, one of these guys is what you guys are going to pick today and work together with. Everyone else at home, please complete the pages that are listed on our daily plan and go for it. Good luck, boys and girls.